Hello everyone, just another update on the John Deere Model B. We managed to get all the innards out of this crankcase. As you can see, it's now just an empty hole. The name of that filter housing I was trying to think of the other night, that's it there in the bottom of the crankcase. I've never ever taken one out with all the tractors I've done because I'm told they're a bit of a nightmare. But that one does need the top squaring up. It looks like it's a bit dented in the top here, in this area. So that's going to need to be addressed. So we'll do that at some stage before so long. I'm going to take the block out tonight. I know I've been humming and ahhing about it, but I have reason to go to town again tomorrow, so I'll take the block down and hopefully pick the crankshaft up that I've had repaired or ground. A couple of other jobs I've done. I had a lot of slack in the clutch rod, usual thing on those holes there and on that one. So I've drilled them out, and I made some new pins on the lathe last night. You can see they're slightly bigger than these, but you've got to drill them out to take the slack out. So you can buy those pins ready made for about £5 or £6 pounds. But there's nothing of a job making those. I've made them out of high tensile bolts, so they'll be as hard as the original one. Another thing I've made out here, I hope you can see in the dark, is my parts cleaner. If you can see that, there's a coil of copper pipe in the bottom of this pot, below little holes in, and I just pump a small amount of air through it from the compressor. And it boils the old kerosene up into a bath and cleans the parts off. A real treat really. Saves a lot of brushing, and all you need to do then is just give it a steam clean with a pressure washer. I'm really set up with that actually, it's doing a heck of a job. So I just thought I'd finish this video off with the removal of the cylinder block, hopefully. So I'm just going to put the camera down there. Hopefully you can see what's going on. So I've taken out these last of these bolts. I've slackened most of them off. Well, I've slackened them all off. So we just take them out. And hopefully it should just come away without too much of a fight. That camshaft bearing with the shims, I got that on the wrong side. I mentioned there were shims in the camshaft bearing to sort the end float out on the camshaft. I incorrectly said the shims were in this side, but in fact the shims are in that side, and they are just paper gaskets. And you put them in, you put a dial gauge on, put them in until it just gets the appropriate end float on the camshaft to stop it going side to side. Also, I made a little bit of research on those con rods, and that con rod that we're putting the slipper bearings into is in fact used in the lettered series tractor in the 50, so they can be used in the 50. So this should, by rights, blimey, heck, that's tight. That's not going to be for moving. Yeah, that should just come out really. I'm just wondering if I've left the bolt in somewhere. No, they're all three. So, I thought that would have just a matter of cracking off. Right. Just don't see that at the moment. That looks a little bit tight. So I'm going to cut the video now and see if I can slack it off, because I don't want to waste time. It takes me forever to upload a video onto YouTube. I have poor internet connection, so I can't go much beyond 5 or 6 minutes. Once over, a minute used to take forever. That's why I called the username 1 Minute Farming, because that was all it would upload. We did get broadband eventually. So anyway, I'm going to try and get that off, but I'm going to switch it off at this moment in time. Okay then, thanks for looking. Right.